Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the auto cutout feature in CapCut PC. So you can find the auto cutout feature after you add a element to the track, and you can select cutout and you can scroll down. So here's the auto cutout. This is for remove the background automatically. So for example, I'm just going to turn on. You can see the background has been removed from the object. Right, go to, sorry, so you can move up as an overlay and put the background below. You can resize that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.